Step into the fascinating realm where reasoning meets precision. Welcome to Mathematical Logic, a foundational journey offered exclusively on edX. This course is for students in mathematics, computer science, law, or philosophy, or anyone fascinated by logic and problem solving. We'll explore how logical reasoning shapes programming, AI, legal arguments, and scientific proofs, all through a clear mathematical lens. Well, have you ever wondered what powers an AI's ability to reason? Or what lets a computer know if a line of code makes sense? Or how Google knows what you really mean when you search something weird? Or even how Sherlock Holmes could solve crimes so quickly, piecing together clues with perfect logic. The answer isn't magic, it's mathematical logic. Today, I'm going to show you why logic isn't just for philosophers with beards. It's the brain behind computer science, and yeah, it's actually fun. As a computer science or STEM student, you've probably coded algorithms, debugged errors, maybe even explored AI. But without logic, you're basically flying blind. Will logic help you prove that your programs actually work? Design smarter algorithms, understand AI, cryptography, compilers, and more. It's like learning the grammar of the language your computer thinks in. But what exactly is mathematical logic, you might ask? Mathematical logic helps us turn ideas into clear, testable statements. It lets us organize our thinking, check the strength of arguments, and reach sound conclusions, using tools like statements, symbols, and step-by-step proofs. It's the math behind careful and structured reasoning. And here's the good news. You don't need advanced math to follow along. Just a basic understanding of things you've probably seen in algebra, like sets, quantifiers, relations, and logical symbols. If you know how to tell different kinds of statements apart and follow logical steps, you're ready to dive in. This course is built around two core pillars: propositional logic and predicate logic. You will learn to define foundational concepts like propositions, connectives, predicates, and quantifiers, and master the syntax of well-formed formulas. You'll apply these tools to translate everyday language into formal logic, evaluate statements using truth tables and models, and construct formal proofs. Along the way, you'll analyze logical relations, assess arguments' validity, and even create your own logical frameworks for reasoning in real-world and computational settings. So why does this matter? Logic underpins every serious technical and philosophical system. It powers programming languages, machine learning models, legal reasoning, and more. Wherever there is structure taught, logic is at the core. And before we wrap up, hi, I'm Dr. Hannah Ashwar, your logic guide on this journey. I teach, research, and occasionally geek out over mathematical analysis and how logic powers everything from algorithms to AI. My mission here is to make logic less intimidating and way more useful, whether you're coding, problem solving, or just trying to make smarter decisions. So if you're ready to train your brain to think sharper, you're in the right place, and I'll be with you every step of the way. The truth is, you already use logic every day. In your code, your decisions, even your arguments with friends. This course, it's like a brain gym for your reasoning muscles. By the end, you write cleaner code, think more clearly, and feel more confident in interviews, research, and beyond. Thank you for considering this course. You're taking an important step towards sharpening your mind, and I'm truly excited to guide you through it. So are you ready to dive into the world of mathematical logic?